Is your faucet hard to turn? Does it feel like it's stuck, even just a little? Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a stiff Moen faucet without replacing the whole thing. This trick works for most sink and shower faucets too, so stick around. Our go-to spot for DIY plumbing fixes. If you love saving money and keeping your faucet smooth, hit that like button and subscribe. We do this all the time. Tools and materials needed: Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, adjustable wrench or pliers, needle nose pliers, Moen cartridge tool, old toothbrush, rag or towel, Moen 1225B cartridge, silicone grease, white vinegar, replacement O-rings optional, Teflon tape. Step 1. Shut off water. Always start by shutting off your water supply valves. You don't want any surprise showers while you're working. Step 2. Remove handle and collar. Pop off that little cap on top. Remove the Phillips screw underneath and lift the handle right off. Then take off the trim washer and that silver collar. Just set them aside. Step 3. Remove retaining clip. Next up, this small U-shaped retaining clip. That's what holds the cartridge in place. Pull it out carefully and don't lose it. You'll need it in a minute. Step 4. Remove the cartridge. Now this faucet uses a Moen 1225B cartridge. If it's stuck, grab the Moen removal tool. Twist it gently with pliers and the cartridge will pop loose. Nice and easy. Step 5. Inspect and clean. Check those O-rings. If they're cracked or worn, replace the cartridge. If they still look good, clean off any mineral buildup and apply a bit of silicone grease. Safe for rubber and plastic. That's what gives you that smooth motion again. Step 6. Clean the valve bore. Before putting it back, clean inside the valve housing. A little vinegar and an old toothbrush work great for removing buildup. Let it sit about 10 minutes. Step 7. Reinstall cartridge. Grease the inside and outside. Line up the cartridge tabs and push it in gently. Remember, it only goes one way. If your hot and cold are reversed, just rotate it 180 degrees. Step 8. Reassemble and test. Now reinstall the clip collar and handle. Turn your water back on and give it a try. Smooth like new. That's all it takes. And there you go. No plumber, no replacement. Just a quick fix done right. If this helped you out, give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and check out my other faucet repair videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.